the BC Liberal Scandal List Countdown Minute, brought to you by theBreaker.news. I'm Bob Mackin. Between 2007 and 2016, more than 2,400 children and youths receiving BC government care were critically injured. Almost 850 died. 3 of them became well known to British Columbians after the representative for children and youth found the system had failed them. Paige Gauthier, the 19-year-old Aboriginal woman aged out of care after living a life of abuse and neglect. She died in 2013 of a drug overdose on the downtown east side. Frontline government workers and first responders failed their legal duty to protect Paige from abuse and neglect, but nobody was charged. Nick Lang, a 15-year-old from Chilliwack, his parents were desperate to help him kick a methamphetamine addiction, but the government was failing to provide mental health and addiction services in their community. He assaulted his mother, and a judge sent him to a government drug rehab facility on Vancouver Island in 2015. But 6 days after arriving, he was left unattended for 40 minutes. He was found dead in a closet. The government sent his parents a legal threat, simply for saying his name in public. Alex Gervais, like Paige, was bounced around in foster care. The government-funded agency that put him alone in an Abbotsford motel was paying an absentee caregiver, who had a criminal record, $8,000 a month. Despondent Alex jumped to his death from a motel window in 2015. Before the election, the Liberals increased the child protection budget and added more staff, but the NDP said it was too little, too late. Report after report by BC's child protection watchdog Mary Ellen Turple-Lafond and her successor Bernard Richard pointed to bigger problems: mismanagement, incompetence, and dereliction of duty. When she was Deputy Premier in 2004, Christy Clark was also Minister of Children and Family Development. She put Stephanie Cadieux in charge of the ministry and ignored calls for Cadieux to be fired and the ministry to be reformed. The sorry state of care for BC's abused and neglected kids. Part of the BC Liberals' dark past.